Hi peeps, dit is Jenny van Disrupt Tutoring. En soos altyd, is dit 'n plesier om by julle aan te sluit. Vandag gaan ons aan met die bespreking oor die indirekte rede. We continue our discussion on indirect or reported speech. Previously we've learned that for reported speech, sentences use the conjunction dat, and questions use the conjunction of, or the question word which is already there and acts as a conjunction. Vandag het ons iets anders. Today we have something slightly different. Kom ons kyk na my sin. Ma antwoord, ek sal vandag 'n heerlike lasagne maak. Okay, die werkwoord sal maak. Mom answers, today I will make a delicious lasagna. Okay. Now, in my answer we can see, they tell us to start with past tense. Ma het geantwoord. That means that my reporting is taking place at a different time to the direct speech. And therefore, the day and time are no longer the same. Therefore, any adverb of time that indicates something specific needs to change to refer to the day on which the person talked. So here we have the word vandag. Vandag means today. But if I tell you something today and someone asks you about it tomorrow, it's no longer today. It's the day on which I talked. So let's see what we do. Ma het geantwoord dat sy, there is my pronoun changing. But vandag can't stay as vandag. It has to stay as that day. Dat sy daardie dag. Finish the sentence taking the verb to the end. 'n heerlike lasagne. Now, again, because the action is completed, the verb also needs to change to the past tense. Gemaak het. Not so easy. I'm going to repeat. When the introduction is in the past tense, only when the introduction is in the past tense, verlede tyd, then in the sentence, any adverb of time needs to change to be correct, have a correct meaning. So vandag changes to daardie dag, means that day, the day on which the person talked. And then as well, the verb needs to change to the past tense. Ma het geantwoord dat sy daardie dag 'n heerlike lasagne gemaak het. And remember, dat is group 3. My verbs go to the end of the sentence. The verb that comes first stays first, except for het, which always goes last. Pronouns say changes. Mom answers that she made a delicious lasagna. Voordat ek afsluit, wil ek net baie dankie sê aan ons Epic Borgmaatskappy wat hierdie video moontlik gemaak het. Lees alles oor hulle in die beskrywing hieronder. Onthou om ons webtuiste te besoek vir meer van hierdie Epic studieklas video's. As jy nie die antwoord op jou vraag kan vind nie, stuur vir ons die vraag en ons sal antwoord met 'n persoonlike video net vir jou. Tot volgende keer, bly